So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now for the second step, you're going to scroll down and then click on advanced options. And then once this comes up, we're going to scroll down again and then click on optional updates. And then once you're on this, if you have any Windows updates or any driver updates right here, then you can install it if you want to. You just want to tick this and then click on install. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, I'm going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'll go to the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you're going to click on the driver tab. Now you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the last step, you're just going to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.